Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to set up Bluetooth wireless headphones or headsets in Windows 10. Of course, before we start, we'll need to check that your PC has Bluetooth capabilities and that Bluetooth is turned on. To check this, first go to the main settings page. You can get here by clicking on the settings icon in the start menu. Next, click on devices. If your PC can use Bluetooth, you should be able to turn it on at the top of this page if it isn't on already. If you don't see the switch to turn on Bluetooth, it means that your computer doesn't have Bluetooth capabilities. If you think it should, then I would recommend contacting the manufacturer for help. You may need to get a Bluetooth adapter that connects via USB if your PC doesn't have Bluetooth. Luckily, these are quite cheap and most online stores will sell them. If you already have one but still don't see Bluetooth options, try another USB port on your PC. To continue with the setup, make sure your Bluetooth button is turned on as well as the device you want to connect to. Click on Add Bluetooth or Other Device at the top and then select Bluetooth. You should see your headphones on this list, and if you don't, make sure that your headphones are turned on and charged. There may be a Connect button on them, but this will likely differ with the headphones you have. When connected, it should say your device is ready to go and you can click Done. You should now see your headphones on the list in the audio section. We can test the headphones and the microphone if your headphones have one by going to the sound settings. To get here from the Bluetooth settings, first click Home, then System, and then Sound. On this page, you should see your Bluetooth headphones chosen in the Output section, and if you have a microphone, that will be in the Input section. Test your headphones now by playing sound, and you should see the blue bar move. The same can be done by speaking into the microphone. If you don't see your device from the list available, then it might not be enabled. To check this, click on Sound Control Panel, which is in blue on the right side of this page. In the Playback tab, right-click on your device and select Enable, and set as default if you wish. If you don't see your device, right-click anywhere and check both boxes to show disconnected and disabled devices. The same can be done in the Recording tab for your microphone. There may also be some settings to change in here to your preference. Double-click on your device in the Playback tab and you should be able to edit some of the options in the Enhancements tab and change the quality in the Advanced tab. There may also be other tabs to change more settings, but this will depend on the headphones you have. If your headphone has a built-in microphone, double-click on it from within the Recording tab to change some of the settings. You'll mostly be interested in changing the mic sensitivity from the Levels tab and the quality in the Advanced tab. Remember to click Apply or OK before you exit to save any changes you've made. And so that's how to set up Bluetooth headphones and headsets in Windows 10. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.